So what's up guys, Zenogrid here. Welcome back to a new video after a long time. In this video I'll be reviewing the Royal Kludge RK71 mechanical gaming keyboard. The keyboard comes with 3 switch variants of blue, brown and red. The one I have here comes with red switches. Oh, and also the keyboard is Bluetooth, which is a key feature of the keyboard. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the review. First of all, unboxing. Well, inside the box you'll get the keyboard itself, magnetic risers, a keycap remover and a USB-C cable. Oh, and some paperwork which I most probably lost at this point. And well, that's pretty much all you're gonna get inside the box. Talking about build quality and design of the keyboard has a 70% form factor. It comes with compact minimalistic layout with only 71 keys, which includes the arrow and function keys. The keyboard is mostly made out of high quality plastic, which feels quite solid, and the keyboard is actually quite heavy as well. The shell is quite solid and the keyboard doesn't feel hollow at all. Most probably the 1000 mAh battery adds some heft to it. The keycaps are high quality as well, and they can be removed using the keycap removing tool. And also you guys can see the non-hot swappable red switches here. There's also a hot swappable variant of the keyboard which is more expensive than the non-variant. The magnetic risers can be put into position simply by using the magnets. There's also an on-off button on the back of the keyboard for Bluetooth connectivity. But you can use the keyboard with USB-C cable by connecting it to the dedicated slot which is located at the top left of the keyboard. And you can connect the USB-C cable just like that. Now let's talk about the main thing of the keyboard, which is the typing and gaming experience. Now I'll be honest, this is my first actual mechanical keyboard, so I'm really not an expert in this field. But however, in my experience, the keyboard felt amazing. My typing experience with this keyboard was amazing. I mean the sound, the keystrokes, there was something really different for me that I can't really express through words, and I think it has more to do with feeling. I did find that there was some getting used to for me using a minimalistic layout, as I'm really not used to it. The typing sound is quite good and not too loud, which is ideal for me. And well, red switches are really not known for their sound anyway. My gaming experience with this was amazing, and well, here's a little sound test for you guys. While on the topic of switches, the one I have here has red switch. Now red switch is best for gaming and isn't that noisy, but if you really want that loud clicky sound, then blue switch is the way to go. And if you're not really sure what you actually want, then brown switches are really good middle point between clicky and linear switches. But I definitely recommend you to do more research into it to find out which switch suits you the most. Talking about Bluetooth connectivity, here's how to use the keyboard with Bluetooth. To connect it to Bluetooth, you have to turn it on first from the back side. Then you have to hold the function key and any of the keys of Q, W or E. Basically, you can connect the keyboard with 3 devices. Then after holding it for a while, you'll see a blinking light. I hope you know how to connect a Bluetooth device to your PC or mobile. The RGB light of the keyboard is alright. And to be honest, the RGB keyboard of my laptop is brighter than this. Now even though it's not too bright, it's good enough to use it in a dark room. There's also this design on the side of the keyboard which has RGB lights, but to be honest it isn't that eye-catching and I really didn't find it useful or anything like that. Now I'm guessing the RGB isn't too bright to preserve battery life, but that's just what I think. Now you don't need a software to control the RGB, which I'm really not a big fan of. I think having a separate software gives you more control with what you want. Now you can change the RGB modes by pressing the home key while holding the function key. The keyboard comes with 19 different RGB effects. You can also change the RGB color when the LED is in static mode by pressing End key. You can also control RGB effects like brightness, LED effect speed and stuff like that by using the dedicated keys. Oh, and also you can change the side LED colors as well. The keyboard has both Mac and Windows support, and there's separate mode for it as well. But however, the function keys like volume increase, decrease, play, pause doesn't work on Windows for some reason. Well, that's pretty much all I had to say about the keyboard. Now, is it good? Yes, it is. And I'm gonna rate it a solid 8 out of 10. Now, do I recommend buying it? Well, I think that's up to you. Now, if you're comfortable with minimal form factor and you wanna buy a mechanical keyboard, then this keyboard is a great choice. So well, that's it for today. Sorry for not uploading regularly, but I think I should give a live update on this channel as my university has started and I can't spend enough time on my YouTube channel anymore. So anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.